If you've ever had an RV problem and thought, why is this so complicated? Or why did a small issue turn into a big repair? That's why MilTech RV exists. My name is Aaron, and I'm a certified mobile RV technician and an RV inspector. I work on RVs where they actually live, campgrounds, storage units, lots of driveways. MilTech was built on the idea that RV problems don't happen randomly. They happen when systems are misunderstood. Here's what makes MilTech RV different. I diagnose before repairing. I explain what I find in plain English. And I focus on prevention, not just emergency fixes. MilTech is for RV owners who want an honest answer, for buyers who want real inspections before they purchase, for full-timers who need reliable systems, and for DIY owners who want to learn more without guessing. This channel is all about education. You'll see common RV failures explained, electrical and battery mistakes, preventative maintenance that actually matters. No fear, no tactics, no fluff. Just real RV system explained clearly. If you want to understand your RV better, avoid expensive surprises, and know what's really happening behind the walls, subscribe to this channel and drop your questions in the comment section below. And check out the link below for inspection, service, and resources. This is MilTech RV, where problems get explained, not ignored.